Hello guys, how are you all doing today? This is gonna be just a small video. I've done an unboxing for this keyboard before, and the thing is it has brown switches. You can see them here. I did some replacement. I wanted to try out this Fairy Silent, just an Amazon brand that sells for like $15 after discounts and everything, and just the switches themselves. So I ended up with buying silent switches just for being at the library, like the old brown switches that came with this keyboard. I think it's called Keychron. I'm not sure what brand. Like it's the brand is called Keychron, but I don't know what series it is. I don't remember, to be honest. But the thing is, it came with brown keys. I also have blue keys over here, and they're all clicky and stuff. So if you're studying at the library or you're doing something at your desk, like in your office, and you don't want people to be annoyed by them, like I had encountered where people were so annoyed that they started actually slamming their keys down. So I ended up buying the switches for this keyboard. They're called the Fairy Silent Akko switches. I wanted to try them out for you guys, and I've done some testing on them, and you can see this is the old brown switches, and it's a bit clicky. Like, you think about it, it's not gonna annoy you, but the people who are actually studying and stuff or doing their work, they will be pretty annoyed because of the all sound, like the noises that it makes. So, yep, those are, so you can, I don't know if you can hear it clearly, but like this is the brown switches, the old brown switches, and this is the pink switches, the new pink switches. They're fairly silent, and all you have to do is sometimes you get tools with your keyboards, and you can just use those tools, or you can actually buy them from Amazon or something. They sell them with the keys. They don't actually come with the keys, with the switches, but they come separately, so you have to buy them yourself. You have to purchase them. But yeah, actually, let me see where I put my... Okay, I'll come back. Sorry. Yeah, I think I found it. It's hiding here, under here. So what you actually do is you have like those two. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of tutorials online. This is going to be just a short video, just to help out the people in the community. It's called Fairy Silent, and you just have to pop them out like this. You go, pop them out, and I'm just gonna try with the old brown switches. So the only issue with this is it comes with a lot of, when you see it online, you think it's a lot of switches, but we have 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so 45 switches. I think I have more switches in my keyboard than they're actually in a single box. And there's switches in a single box, so I just went with the regular keys first, and I'm trying to swap out the numbers, to be honest. So let's try out to swapping out the 7. So what you actually do is you use this tool and you go around here, pop it out. It's fairly easy. And you have the switch, and what you do is so you can see here, this thing has two like tips at the end, bent tips, and you just go around vertically on the sides of the switches, and you press down, and you have to do it. It's fairly hard, and you have to do it in a place where even if it pops out, you are able to find it. So this is the old switch. I'm just gonna open a new switch from here. And you just have to look for the holes in your keyboard. I haven't looked up any tutorials or anything like that. I'm just going off of like my procedure that I followed. And so it looks like this. You can see the holes here, and the holes should match over here. And you press gently, because I tried it before and it kind of bent the metal. Like you can see, I'm just gonna take another one. You can see there's small metal tips over here, and if you press it in a place where it shouldn't be pressed, they're gonna be bent. So you have to bend them back, or maybe get a new switch. So now we just replaced it. Sorry, my camera keeps tilting on me. I'm actually using my phone, so yep. So this is it's not the edge. Oh. Sure. So the edge goes back into its place Let's actually see what I left. My switch is right here. So it's the 7. You just have to align it like the way it was. You have the cross mark over here, and you have the cross mark from the switch itself, and just have to make sure it's right and just push it down. That's it. That's all you need to do. And like with sound quality, like you can hear it, it's a lot of noise. With this, like super silent. It's quite satisfying, to be honest. I like this more than the old soundy and clickety feeling. It feels like you're using, I don't know, those old keyboards where they wouldn't produce any sound. They were just plasticky and rubbery. But now you have actual switches that you can feel them, but the sound is not that loud. And people are not going to be annoyed because of this. I think the most important thing is not to annoy people who are sitting next to you, because you're sharing the place with them. So yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to test out this Fairy Silent from Amazon on my own mechanical keyboard. I'm not being sponsored by anyone. I'm just doing this for the community, to be honest. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you want them, get them. If you don't, do whatever you want. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.